Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Speaking Edge. We're so happy you're here with us again, ready to improve your real-life English.
Yes, and today we're focusing on a super important workplace skill, how to ask your coworker for help politely and professionally, using natural and friendly English phrases.
This lesson is perfect for every English learner, from beginners to advanced speakers, because asking for help is something we all need to do sometimes, no matter our level or experience.
Exactly, and the way you ask for help at work can make a huge difference in building good relationships, showing respect, and communicating clearly.
Before we start, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to English Speaking Edge so you never miss a practical, real-life English lesson.
Your support truly helps us create more useful workplace conversations like this one.
Alright, let's begin.
Let's learn how to ask your coworker for help politely and confidently.
So Alex, do you ever ask your coworkers for help when you're stuck on something?
Oh, definitely. Even experienced employees need help sometimes. It's completely normal.
I agree. But many people feel shy or nervous about asking for help at work.
Yes, but using polite and professional language can make the process feel much more comfortable.
What's one polite way you usually start?
I often say, "Hey, do you have a moment? I could use your help with something."
That sounds gentle and respectful.
Yes, it shows that you understand their time is valuable.
I sometimes start with, "Sorry to bother you, but could I ask for your help?"
That's a great softening phrase. It makes your request sound thoughtful.
What if your coworker looks really busy?
Then I say, "Whenever you have a free minute, could you help me with?" It gives them flexibility.
I love that. It doesn't pressure them.
Exactly.
How do you ask for help with something you don't understand?
I might say, "I'm having trouble understanding this part. Could you explain it to me when you have time?"
That sounds polite and responsible.
Yes, you're showing a willingness to learn.
What if you need help urgently?
I say, "I'm sorry for the urgency, but I could really use your help with this right now."
Great. Apologizing for the urgency makes it softer.
Exactly.
What if the coworker is more experienced than you?
Then I say, "Since you've worked with this before, would you mind giving me some guidance?"
That shows respect for their experience.
Yes, people appreciate that.
How about asking someone to check your work?
I'd say, "Would you mind reviewing this for me to make sure I didn't miss anything?"
That's very professional.
Yes.
What if your coworker helped you before, and you need help again?
I say, "Your advice really helped last time. Could I ask for your help once more?"
That phrase shows appreciation.
Exactly, and appreciation builds teamwork.
What if you need help with a task outside your knowledge?
I say, "This is a bit outside my expertise. Would you mind showing me how it's done?"
That's honest and humble.
Yes.
What if you need someone to explain a document?
I say, "Could you walk me through this document? I want to make sure I understand it correctly."
Very natural phrasing.
Yes.
How do you ask without sounding demanding?
Use softening phrases like "could you possibly," or "would it be okay if."
That makes your request more polite.
Exactly.
What if you need help because you're new?
I say, "I'm still learning the system. Would you mind helping me with this part?"
Coworkers usually like helping new people.
Yes, it builds a friendly environment.
What if you want someone to show you how something works?
I say, "When you have a minute, could you show me how to do this properly?"
Very respectful.
Yes.
What if your coworker seems stressed?
I always acknowledge it. "I know you're busy, so if you can't help right now, no worries."
That shows understanding.
Yes.
What if you need help fixing a mistake?
I say, "I think I made a mistake. Could you help me figure out what went wrong?"
That's honest and responsible.
Yes. Asking for help early prevents bigger issues later.
What if you need help sending an email to a client?
"Could you take a quick look at my email draft? I want to make sure the tone is professional."
Very practical workplace English.
Yes.
How do you ask for help without sounding incompetent?
Use phrases like, "I just need a little clarification," or "I want to double check something."
That sounds confident.
Exactly.
What if you need help remembering a process?
Could you remind me how to do this? I want to make sure I do it correctly.
Nice phrasing.
Yes.
What if you need help understanding feedback?
I want to understand your feedback better. Could you explain this part again?
Very polite.
Yes.
What if you don't want to disturb someone's workflow?
I say, let me know when you're free. I have a quick question.
That's respectful of their schedule.
Yes.
What if you need help urgently but feel guilty asking?
I say, I'm really sorry to ask last minute, but I need help with.
Apologizing first softens the request.
Exactly.
How do you ask someone to teach you a task?
Would you mind showing me the steps? I want to learn how to do it properly.
That shows motivation.
Yes.
What if you need help with technology or software?
I'm having a bit of trouble with this software. Could you help me figure it out?
Very relatable.
Yes. Technology confuses all of us sometimes.
What if you need a coworker to explain something differently?
I say, could you explain that in another way? I want to make sure I get it right.
Great phrase.
Yes.
What if your coworker already helped you earlier today?
Thanks again for your help earlier. Could I trouble you one more time?
Adding gratitude makes it polite.
Absolutely.
What if you need someone's opinion?
Could I get your opinion on this? I value your perspective.
Very professional.
Yes.
What if you're stuck on a problem?
I've tried a few solutions, but I'm still stuck. Could you help me figure out what I'm missing?
That shows effort.
Yes.
What if you need help finishing a task before a deadline?
I'm trying to complete this before the deadline. Would you be able to help me with one part of it?
Very realistic scenario.
Yes.
What if you want someone to double-check your numbers?
Could you double-check these numbers for me? I want to make sure everything is accurate.
That's great for office work.
Yes.
How do you ask someone to explain a process step by step?
Would you mind walking me through the process slowly?
Very clear and polite.
Yes.
What if you need help organizing your tasks?
Could you help me prioritize these? I'm not sure what to handle first.
That's useful for new employees.
Yes.
How do you ask someone to repeat instructions?
Sorry, could you repeat that one more time?
Very common phrase.
Yes.
What if you need help writing a report?
Could you take a quick look at my report draft? I'd appreciate your feedback.
That sounds very professional.
Yes.
How do you ask for help politely but directly?
Use this structure. Could you help me with when you have time?
Perfect balance of polite and clear.
Exactly.
What if you need help because English isn't your first language?
I say, English isn't my first language, so could you help me understand this part?
Very honest and respectful.
Yes.
What if you need help with pronunciation?
Could you tell me how to pronounce this word correctly?
Language learning teamwork.
Yes.
What if you want to learn a skill from a coworker?
You're really good at this. Could you teach me how to do it?
That's both respectful and complimentary.
People appreciate that.
What if someone is really good at organizing, and you're not?
You're great at organizing things. Would you mind helping me set this up?
Nice teamwork phrase.
Yes.
What if you need help communicating with a client?
I want to respond properly. Could you help me phrase this message?
Very polite.
Yes.
What if you need help understanding a spreadsheet?
Could you walk me through this spreadsheet? Some parts are confusing.
Very relatable.
Yes.
What if you need help because you're overwhelmed?
I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed. Could you help me with a part of this?
That's honest and respectful.
Yes.
What if you want help brainstorming ideas?
Could we brainstorm together later? Two minds might help.
Very collaborative.
Yes.
What if someone says no?
I say, no problem at all, thanks anyway.
That keeps the relationship positive.
Yes.
What if the coworker asks you why you need help?
I want to make sure I do everything correctly.
Good reason.
Yes.
What if you need clarification on something specific?
Could you explain this part one more time?
Polite and effective.
Yes.
What if you need help preparing for a presentation?
Would you mind listening to my practice? I'd love your feedback.
Very professional.
Yes.
What if you want someone to check your grammar or wording?
Could you check my wording here? I want to make sure it's clear.
Perfect for workplace English.
Yes.
What if you need help quickly?
If you're free now, could you help me with something urgent?
Still polite even when urgent.
Exactly.
What if you need help understanding a client's request?
Could you help me interpret what the client meant here?
Nice phrasing.
Yes.
What if you need help completing a team project?
Could you help me finish this part so we can complete the project on time?
Very collaborative.
Yes.
What if you need someone to check your calculations?
Could you double check these calculations with me? I want to be certain.
Great teamwork phrase.
Yes.
What if you want to ask for help but also offer to return the favor?
If you help me with this, I'd be happy to help you with anything later.
That's very kind.
Yes.
What if you need help understanding company policies?
Could you help explain this policy? I'm not sure I understand everything.
Very natural.
Yes.
What if you need help because you're confused?
I'm a bit confused about this. Could you help me figure it out?
Honest and clear.
Yes.
What if you need help with scheduling?
Could you help me understand the schedule? I'm not sure which tasks come first.
Good for new employees.
Yes.
What if someone helped you and you want to end politely?
Thank you so much. Your help really means a lot.
Gratitude makes everything better.
Absolutely.
What if you want to show appreciation formally?
I really appreciate your time and support.
Very professional.
Yes.
What if you want to ask for help but feel nervous?
This feels a little embarrassing, but could you help me with this part?
That's very human.
Yes.
What if you want to show you tried before asking?
I've tried a few steps already, but I still need help. Could you take a look?
That shows responsibility.
Exactly.
Thanks so much for joining us today. Asking for help at work politely is a powerful skill for every English learner.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Speaking Edge. See you next time, and keep growing in your English and your career.